Set in this 1 3/4 acre plot, this is Astley Row Farm. It's a beautiful, luxurious 4-bedroom detached with barn. Let's go and have a look. It's really tranquil, this garden. Lovely plot, well matured, plenty of fruit trees. There's fig, there's apple, there's pear, there's even a chestnut tree. This area offers so much, not far from Irlam train station, Tesco, but with rural views with Irlam Moss just behind me. Really is beautifully styled in here. It almost feels like the palace. There's plenty of period features like stunning coving, ceiling mouldings and wooden floors. Plenty of space with the reception rooms as well.